Let's dive into Express routes, a fundamental aspect of building web application endpoints using Express.js. In this video, you'll learn how to handle different URL endpoints and HTTP methods within your Express applications. So let's get started. Let's look at the basic route structure in Express. At its core, a route associates a specific URL path with a function that will handle requests to that path. Here's an example: app.get, then within parenthesis, single quote / path single quote, comma, open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace. This defines a route that listens for GET requests to the / path. Inside the route handler, res.send, open and close parenthesis with single quote, hello world, single quote will send the text, hello world, as the response. When a user visits / path in their browser, they will see hello world. Express supports various HTTP methods to define different types of actions that can be performed on a resource. Here are some common HTTP methods used in Express routes. First, app.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / user single quote, comma, handler. This retrieves a list of users. Next, app.post, open and close parenthesis with single quote / user single quote, comma, handler. This creates a new user. App.put, open and close parenthesis with single quote / users, / ID single quote, comma, handler. This updates an existing user by ID. Finally, app.delete, open and close parenthesis with single quote / users, / ID single quote, comma, handler. This deletes a user by ID. Each method corresponds to a different action you can perform on the / user's endpoint. Route parameters allow you to capture values from the URL and use them in your route handlers. This is useful for creating dynamic routes where part of the URL changes. Here is a demonstration. App.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / users, / ID single quote, comma, open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace. This defines a route with a parameter named ID. Within the route handler, we can access the value of ID using req.perms.id. Const user ID equals req.perms.id. Res.json open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, user ID close curly brace. This will send a JSON response containing the user ID. For example, if the URL is / users, /123, then req.perms.id will be 123. Query parameters are another way to pass data to your application through the URL. They are appended to the URL after a question mark, and are typically used for filtering, sorting, or pagination. Let's see how it is done. App.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / search single quote, comma, open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace. Inside the handler, const open curly brace, query, comma, limit, close curly brace equals req.query. This extracts the query and limit parameters from the request query. Res.json open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, query, comma, limit, close curly brace. This sends a JSON response containing the query and limit values. For example, if the URL is / search query equals Node.js limit equals 10, then the query parameter will be Node.js and the limit parameter will be 10. Route handlers are the functions that execute when a route is matched. You can define route handlers inline or as separate functions. Here's how you can do both. First, we define an inline handler using app.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / user single quote, comma, open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace, res.json, open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, users, open and close square brackets, close curly brace. This defines the handler directly within the route definition. Alternatively, we can use a separate handler by creating a function called getUsers. Const getUsers equals open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace, res.json, open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, users, open and close square brackets, close curly brace. Then we pass the getUsers function as the route handler. app.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / users single quote, comma, getUsers. Both approaches achieve the same result, but using separate handlers can improve code organization and reusability. Express allows you to define multiple route handlers for a single route. This is useful for implementing middleware, which are functions that execute before the final route handler. app.get, open and close parenthesis with single quote / protected single quote, comma, authenticate, comma, authorize, comma, open parenthesis req, comma, res, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace, res.json, open and close parenthesis, open curly brace, message, single quote protected data single quote, close curly brace. This defines a route with multiple handlers: authenticate, authorize, and the final route handler. Function authenticate, open parenthesis req, comma, res, comma, next, close parenthesis, open curly brace, then we have some authentication logic. Next, open and close parenthesis. The authenticate function is a middleware that performs authentication logic. Calling next within the middleware passes control to the next handler in the chain. This allows you to chain multiple middleware functions together to perform tasks such as authentication, authorization, and logging. As your application grows, it's helpful to organize your routes into separate modules. The Express Router module allows you to define a group of related routes in a single file, and then mount that router in your main application file. First, in userroutes.js, const router equals express.router, open and close parenthesis. Router.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / single quote, comma, getUsers. Router.post, open and close parenthesis single quote / single quote, comma, create user. Module.exports equals router. This creates a new router and defines routes for getting and creating users. In app.js, const userroutes equals require, open and close parenthesis single quote / userroutes single quote. App.use, open and close parenthesis single quote / API / users single quote, comma, userroutes. This mounts the userroutes router at the / API / users path. This modular approach makes it easier to organize and maintain your routes as your application grows. Express supports route patterns and wildcards, allowing you to define more flexible routes that match multiple URLs. App.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / files / single quote, comma, handler. This matches any URL that starts with / files / followed by any characters. App.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / user s single quote, comma, handler. This matches both / user and / users. App.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / ab +cd single quote, comma, handler. This matches / abcd, / abbcd, and so on. App.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / flight, open parenthesis / west + close parenthesis single quote, comma, handler. This matches / flight followed by one or more word characters. These patterns and wildcards provide powerful tools for defining flexible and dynamic routes in your Express applications. Error handling is a critical aspect of building robust Express applications. You should always handle errors gracefully in your route handlers to prevent your application from crashing. App.get, open and close parenthesis single quote / users / ID single quote, comma, async, open parenthesis req, comma, res, comma, next, close parenthesis, fat arrow, open curly brace. Inside the handler try open curly brace, const user equals await find user, open parenthesis rq, .perms.id, close parenthesis. Residential.json, open parenthesis user, close parenthesis. Catch open parenthesis error close parenthesis open curly brace. Next open parenthesis error close parenthesis. This defines an asynchronous route handler that attempts to find a user by ID. If an error occurs during the process, it's caught and passed to the next function. By passing the error to next, you're delegating the error handling to Express's error handling middleware. This ensures that errors are properly logged and handled, preventing your application from crashing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.